Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Avengers 60th celebration continuing for this video with fan pack number 2, the Hulk. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Avengers 60th Anniversary Play at Home Kit number 2. That's why we call it PAHK, short for Play at Home Kit. So we see here in the previous video, we looked into Captain America, and now we're looking into the Hulk. So you can see in the display window, the Hulk figure there. Okay, so the green, mean Hulk. Okay, so at the side, we have the 3 Avengers. Same on the other side. And at the back, we have a short description of the product. Celebrate the Avengers 60th anniversary with an exciting new play-at-home kit release. Play-at-home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map following along with all new terrain markers to match the Avengers 60th anniversary set. Bring the legacy of both Avengers and Heroclix to your table with this new Hulk figure and General Thunderbolt Ross legacy card. So you really know what you're gonna get. The figure, map, terrains, and legacy card. But before we get into it, let's take a look at one of the info card in the set, which is Avengers 2000's Avengers Through the Ages, featuring the Hulk with a notable appearance on Incredible Hulk 75 2004. Tensions continued to rise into the decade. The mighty Avengers arc put Iron Man at the center of a disagreement over the Superhuman Registration Act. In 2008, the theatrical release of Iron Man marked the launch of the robust Marvel Cinematic Universe, which would soon go on to feature another premier Avenger, the Incredible Hulk. Okay, so it's the start of the MCU, the 2000s. So again, learn how to play with this particular QR code, Heroclix. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into it and look at the goodies inside this fan pack number 2. Okay, so we have the character. Let's take him out. Let's look first at the map. So all play-at-home kits contain maps. So these are shorter maps. As you know, typical maps are 16 by 24 squares, but the newer maps are only 16 by 16. So this map is the Wakanda outdoor map. We're gonna put a picture of the map in the video, the full map. And then the other side of the map is, let's see, there we go, the Avengers Tower outdoor. So both outdoors for this particular map. Okay, I love outdoors since I always tend to use range based teams. Okay, let's go to the terrains. Ooh, so there's quite an interesting terrain here. So we have this terrain, an elevated terrain. Okay, that needs 5 damage to be destroyed, so almost indestructible. Okay, I wonder what this is. It looks like an arc reactor. Okay, and then we have, let's put it back. Then we have a blocking terrain, one by one. Okay, the Black Panther statue. And then we have this particular terrain. Okay, a bush, hindering terrain. Okay, let's take a look at the character cards and the legacy. And the special terrain. Oh, so it's not just your regular hindering terrain. It's the heart-shaped herb bush. So the effect is that characters adjacent to or occupying this terrain have power, heal one click. And that makes this terrain very much desirable. Okay, so any heal one click, even though it's a power action, that's totally fine. Okay, so there are times that you don't have anything to do, and if you can heal, that's good. Okay, but you have to take note that your enemy would also benefit from this terrain. Interesting. Okay, so one of the better terrains, I guess, to get in that particular set. So let's take a look first at the legacy card, General Thunderbolt Ross. Okay, I don't have this figure in particular, but I've heard a lot of talk about this from my fellow Heroclix players here in the country. Aim, Hulkbusters, Thunderbolts, Brute Monster, Soldier are the keywords. Special movement is the Red Hulk. Free, once per game, generate a Red Hulk bystander and place General Thunderbolt Ross on his card. This game, when the Red Hulk bystander is KO'd, KO General Thunderbolt Ross. So he turns basically into the Hulk, the Red Hulk. Okay, and this is the Red Hulk stats with 10 charge, 11 attack poison, impervious, and outwit. Okay, but even though it's free, you have to be mindful of when to generate it, because you can KO General Ross without him ever taking or transforming into the Red Hulk, because again, he only has 4 clicks of life. He does have a special attack power, which is called in the airstrike. When this click is revealed by an opposing attack, after resolutions, deal 1 penetrating damage to the attacking character and all opposing characters adjacent to the attacker. Okay, so for sure, he will be able to trigger that. Okay, called in the airstrike. I'm wondering, because he has that on 3 clicks, does that mean he deals 1 penetrating damage every time it is revealed, or just once, just the first time? Okay, so let me know in the comments if you know the answer to that question. Okay, I my sense is that he gets to deal that every time. Okay, and of course, the play-at-home figure, the Hulk. Take a look at that sculpt. One of the better sculpts in the set. Okay, you can see all his muscles, back muscles here, and the paint job is awesome. Okay, really great sculpt. So Hulk is set number 102, Avengers, Monsters, and Scientists keywords, and a trait, Hulk Splash. Not Smash, but Splash. So when Hulk makes a close attack, if he occupies the listed terrain, after resolutions, he may use 1 corresponding effect as free. So 1, because I'm sure you can have multiple terrains in 1 square, so you have to choose. Hindering, you can use Smoke Cloud. Elevated, he can move. And water, you can do Pulse Wave. That's why it's Splash, because of the water. And a special damage power, Hulk doesn't understand, but Hulk will do it. Passenger 1. Okay. Free, make a close attack but only to target characters that have been targeted by another friendly character with a scientist keyword this turn. So you might use this, especially if you're on a scientist team. Okay, the other scientist friendly character doesn't need to hit. He just need to have targeted the character for you to make a free close attack with hold. That's interesting. Okay, so you can make a close attack and then move and then make that free close attack to another targeted character. Okay, so that's it for this particular play at home kit. So go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments as well. I'm really liking the special terrains that they've introduced in this set. So until the next video, guys, bye bye.